You know what time it is. It is Color with Us You Rock Art. And the hostess with the mostest is Rosemary's You Rock Art. Oh my gosh. Isn't she an awesome channel? Go check her out and please check out the playlist. Now let's see what Grandma did this week. Well, good morning, my awesome friends. You know what time it is. Cute and creepy coloring book time. Oh, yeah. We only have one more day after this one to do a little more coloring. The last of the coloring will be on Monday. Then this book will be packed away until next September. It'll probably take me 3 years to get through this coloring book. But oh yeah, it's a great coloring book and full of great inspiration by a great artist. Oh yeah, look at how beautiful this looks. This is our wonderful, wonderful Frankenstein bride. Oh, doesn't she look beautiful? Look at how wonderful she turned out. And look how beautiful the lace colored in with a pale green and a little bit of yellow. And her hair multicolored, and those purple eyelashes and green eyes. Oh, I do love looking at her. And then, of course, we have Frankenstein himself with a little bit of gold gel pen and a little bit of sparkle in his hair. Didn't he turn out handsome? Of course he did. They did a great job with the artwork in this book. It's so much fun to color. I can't wait to start doing this all over again in September, but I have a new book to share with you. We haven't done the flip through yet, so make sure you keep coming back for more coloring. Yeah, look at that hair, it sparkles like gold, and his little things in his neck are all full of gold connections too. Oh yeah, I really like this coloring book. It's full of inspiration and so much fun to watch. And now we have our mad scientist. Doesn't she look great? She's all ready to have fun. And she's ready to stir up a little bit of magic, it looks like on this page. Looks like putting the right chemicals together brings in the ghost. And as you can see, we colored her hair with multiple colors. And the ghosts have a little bit of sparkle too. And of course, our mad scientist with those green eyes that come right off the page, and that wild hair of a mad scientist, and those rosy little lips. Oh yeah, she's a cutie, isn't she? Well, I wonder what other things we need to do to make this a little more colorful. I think I'm leaving it alone. And here's another one. The little princess. Doesn't she look beautiful with her crown and her beautiful green eyes and green hair? And of course, everything I thought looked pretty nice. Let me know, what was your favorite one? Was it 1? Was it 2? Was it 3? We have one more coming your way. Let me know what you think and which one you like the best. I love them all, of course. And here is number 4. And of course, that raven is beautiful. And look at how beautiful she looks. Those beautiful green eyes and the little feather collar around her neck and those little perky lips. Oh, and both of them have green eyes. I really enjoyed it. Let me know which one was your favorite. And we'll see you again soon. Now let's see the